so excited and happy to have this presentation for you today.
Box Out Bullying was fantastic.
We had an awesome assembly with Box Out Bullying.
I thought Box Out Bullying was incredible.
This was an awesome kickoff for the Week of Respect, and we were so proud to have them here.
It is absolutely so connected to what we're talking about with this Week of Respect.
The entire performance, the children were engaged.
You know, to end our Week of Respect, this was so perfect.
I absolutely enjoyed the fact that they walked our scholars through the steps that they need to take so that they can be empowered to not stand by and let kids bully.
It was age appropriate.
Perfect for all grade levels.
It was great for the older kids. It was great for the younger kids.
The actors were amazing. The message was very, very clear.
It was authentic, and I could feel the actors, their real sense of pride and excitement in the topic they were teaching.
It's so helpful to have activities and lesson plans that you provide because the follow-up after is really important. It's a time saver for the teachers, and the kids love it.
I would recommend Box Out Bullying to every school.
It's such a great experience. We can't wait to have you guys again.
All I can say is, if you have an opportunity to have Box Out Bullying come in, you ought to do it.
For more information on assemblies, workshops, and other programs, go to boxoutbullying.com. Feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to be up to date on all things Box Out Bullying.